Operator Mike here once again from the Delta Force Community Squad. Welcome to Layali Grove, operators. Step out of the small train station and you'll see the Azara Guard occupying Gorab Desolation. Proceed along the highway and you'll be greeted by the magnificent Aminya village. The tower watches over every visitor. Over at the riverside, you can pass through Blue Wharf. Watch out, the waters here are deep and treacherous. The sparkling Empress Hotel glitters with opulence, luxury at its finest. But this is a place of many dangers. The checkpoint is fraught with peril. Stay alert and move quickly. Desert Trails Farm offers not just sunshine, but also gunfire. Pass through the flower fields and cargo havoc comes into view, but beware of the danger lurking at your feet. After crossing the stone bridge, the Garby building and the manor house beckon. They're worth a good look. Follow the path to the substation. In the open terrain, one must be ready for battle. Climb the mountain and you'll reach the Havoc WSR lab. Face tougher enemies to be rewarded with better loot. Fireworks light the distant horizon, illuminating the storage center. Operation Iron Dome is touch and go. The tracks tremble, signaling boarding time at Transnova Station. The Havoc train awaits. Layali Grove welcomes you. Good luck.